Unlock your path to financial freedom. A step-by-step guide with the Debt-Free Living Planner. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by debt? You're not alone. Whether it's credit card balances, student loans, or medical bills, the weight of financial obligations can be crushing. The constant worry, the never-ending cycle of minimum payments, and the mounting interest fees can leave you feeling trapped. But imagine a life where you're debt-free, where you have the power to make financial decisions without the anxiety of looming bills. It's possible, and it starts with the right plan. Introducing the Debt-Free Living Planner, a step-by-step guide that will unlock your path to financial freedom. With this planner, you'll gain the clarity, structure, and actionable steps to break free from debt and take control of your financial future. The first step toward freedom starts here. If you're tired of juggling bills and struggling to make ends meet, now is the time to take action. The Debt-Free Living Planner isn't just a tool. It's a solution designed to help you regain control over your finances, eliminate debt, and achieve lasting financial freedom. Say goodbye to feeling trapped by debt. Say hello to a new, empowered version of yourself, one who is in charge of their finances and on track to a secure future. The Debt-Free Living Planner is your first step toward achieving the peace of mind you deserve. Click the link in the description below to get your Debt-Free Living Planner now and start your journey toward financial freedom today. Why debt feels overwhelming and how the planner can help. We've all been there, the constant worry that comes with knowing you have debt and no clear way of tackling it. The fear of unexpected setbacks, the pressure to meet minimum payments, and the uncertainty of when or if you'll ever be debt-free. These feelings are real, and they can be overwhelming. But here's the good news. You don't have to face this alone. The Debt-Free Living Planner is your guide to navigating the journey from debt-ridden to debt-free. This planner is designed to break down the overwhelming task of debt repayment into manageable steps, making it easier for you to stay on track and meet your financial goals. With this step-by-step guide, you'll have a clear financial roadmap, expert tips, and actionable strategies that will help you eliminate debt and create a life of financial freedom. Click the link in the description below to get your Debt-Free Living Planner now and start your journey toward financial freedom today. The step-by-step approach to financial freedom with the Debt-Free Living Planner. 1. Define your financial goals. The first step in unlocking your financial freedom is setting clear, actionable goals. The Debt-Free Living Planner helps you do just that. Whether you're looking to pay off credit cards, student loans, or other debts, the planner's goal-setting worksheets will guide you in defining your financial priorities. You'll not only create an overall plan, but also break down your goals into smaller, manageable pieces. This helps eliminate overwhelm and provides you with a clear direction to follow. 2. Track your spending and budget wisely. Once your goals are set, the next step is to understand where your money is going. The Debt-Free Living Planner comes with monthly budget planners that will help you track your income and expenses. By identifying areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds to debt repayment, you'll start seeing immediate improvements. The budgeting templates are easy to use and customizable, so you can tailor them to your unique financial situation. These planners will help you stay disciplined and focused as you take actionable steps toward debt elimination. 3. Choose the right debt repayment strategy. With a clear understanding of your spending habits, the next step is to develop a debt repayment strategy. The Debt-Free Living Planner includes proven strategies like the debt snowball and debt avalanche methods. Debt snowball method focuses on paying off your smallest debt first, then moving to the next smallest, and so on. This method builds momentum and motivation as you eliminate each balance. Debt avalanche method focuses on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, which can save you more money in the long run. Both methods are effective. Choose the one that works best for you and start chipping away at your debt. 4. Monitor your progress and celebrate milestones. Tracking your progress is essential in maintaining motivation. The Debt-Free Living Planner includes progress trackers for both debt repayment and savings goals. These trackers help you visualize your progress, keeping you motivated to push forward. By celebrating small wins along the way, such as paying off a credit card or reaching a savings goal, you'll stay focused on your ultimate goal of achieving financial freedom. 5. Build a secure financial future. Once you've tackled your debt, it's time to shift your focus to building a secure financial future. The Debt-Free Living Planner doesn't just stop at debt repayment. It also includes tools to help you build emergency savings, plan for retirement, and achieve long-term financial stability. Benefits of the Debt-Free Living Planner. 1. Clarity and focus. Debt can feel chaotic, but with the Debt-Free Living Planner, you gain clarity. By breaking down your financial challenges into manageable steps, you'll have a clear path to follow. No more confusion about where to start or what to do next. 2. Motivation to stay on track. The journey to becoming debt-free can be long, but the Debt-Free Living Planner keeps you motivated with milestone trackers and goal-setting worksheets. As you see your progress, your motivation will grow, keeping you focused on your financial goals. 3. Easy-to-follow structure. The Debt-Free Living Planner is designed to be user-friendly, with simple templates and tools that make it easy to track your finances. You don't need to be a financial expert to use this planner. It's designed for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. 4. Proven strategies for paying off debt. Whether you choose the debt snowball or avalanche method, the Debt-Free Living Planner provides proven strategies to accelerate your debt repayment. These strategies have helped millions of people eliminate debt faster, and they'll work for you too. 5. Achieve financial freedom. The ultimate benefit of the Debt-Free Living Planner is the ability to achieve financial freedom. By following the planner's step-by-step guide, you'll not only eliminate debt, but also build a solid financial foundation that will support you for years to come. Get started today. Unlock your path to financial freedom. There's no better time than now to take control of your financial future. The Debt-Free Living Planner is here to guide you every step of the way. With this planner, you'll gain the tools, clarity, and motivation needed to break free from debt and build the life you've always wanted. Don't let debt hold you back any longer. Take the first step toward financial freedom today. Click here to get your Debt-Free Living Planner and start your journey to financial freedom now. Your future begins now. The Debt-Free Living Planner is more than just a financial tool. It's your partner in achieving the life of financial freedom you deserve. With clear steps, expert strategies, and powerful tracking tools, this planner will help you take control of your debt and create a secure financial future. Don't wait for the perfect time. The time is now. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Debt-Free Living Planner and start your journey to a debt-free, stress-free life. Let's make financial freedom a reality. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.